In this video, I'm going to be discuss about nanocomposite materials. So nanocomposites in which there are different materials which are composed in between and it form new material that is known as nanocomposites. A nanocomposite is as a multi-phase solid material where one of the phases has one, two, or three dimensional of less than 100 nanometers or structures having nanoscale repeat distances between the different phases that makes up the material. Phase. A phase is a physically distinct, chemically homogeneous and mechanically separable region of system. The various states of aggregation of matter, namely the gaseous, the liquid and the solid state form separable phases. So here in nanocomposites, you can see the nanoparticles and the outer area which is known as polymer matrix. Okay. And between these two there are interaction zones are there. Classification of nanocomposites. So nanocomposites are classified in polymer based and non-polymer based. In polymer based, polymer ceramic, inorganic organic polymer, inorganic organic hybrid, polymer layered that is silicate. And in non-polymer based, metal nanocomposites, ceramic nanocomposites, and ceramic nanocomposites. So, what is the background of nanocomposites? So, nanocomposites are material that incorporate nanosized particle in a matrix of standard material. The result of the addition of nanoparticles is a drastic improvement in properties that can include mechanical strength, toughness, and electrical and thermal conductivity. The effectiveness of a nanoparticle is such that the amount of material added is normally only between 0.5 and 5% by weight. How to improve the properties in nanocomposites? So nanocomposites can dramatically improve the properties like mechanical properties including strength, modulus and dimensional stability, electrical conductivity, decreased gas, water and hydrocarbon permeability, flame retardancy, thermal stability, chemical resistance, surface appearance, optical clarity. So these are the properties which are improved in nanocomposites. Now how nanocomposites work? So nanoparticles have an extremely high surface to volume ratio which dramatically changes their properties when compared with their bulk size equivalents. It also changes the way in which the nanoparticles bond with the bulk material. The result is that the composite can be many times improved with respect to component parts. Some nanocomposite materials have been shown to be 1000 times tougher than the bulk component materials. Now, applications of nanocomposites. Nanocomposites are currently being used in a number of fields and new applications are being continuously developed. Applications for nanocomposites include thin film capacitors for computer chips, solid polymer electrolytes for batteries, automotive engine parts and fuel tanks, impellers and blades, oxygen and gas batteries, and food packaging units. So these are the main applications of nanocomposites material. Now polymer nanocomposites used in different field like scaffold for tissue engineering, wound heating, dental applications, bioimaging, biosensors, gene delivery, drug release, and medical implants. So this is about nano composite materials. Thanks for watching this video.